And now, Parts Bin.
If you're a fabricator, you know the importance of having a heavy-duty table to work on. With all the pounding and shaping and grinding and welding that you need to do, a light-duty table's not gonna last. And the guys at Inventive Products know that, so they came out with this powered welding table to make your life easier. Take a look. The tabletop features a 3/8 inch thick steel plate that has a 6-inch grid pattern of fixture holes so you can easily clamp your work in place. It also has removable catch trays for slag and a ton of accessories like pivoting clamp hanger and portable fixture rack and lower storage trays. You also have holders for MIG and TIG torches, as well as air tools, hammers, or whatever. But the best part about this table is the electrical adjustable height. With the push of a button, you can lift over 2,000 pounds from a low 33 inches to a tall 48 inches that will save your back when you're doing those intricate TIG welding projects. The table also has presets, so all you have to do is push a button and it'll self-adjust to the height that you need. And you can get these in different sizes to match your budget or your shop size. And there's no question that everybody needs a good shop table or fabrication table. But if you want something that will do this with these kind of options, you're only gonna find it at Inventive Products.